everyone. Today we're going to discuss fundamental counting principle. First, what is fundamental counting principle? It is a multiplication of number where you can get the possible ways on that problem or on that situation. So we have an example. Number 1. In a pouch, there are 2 lipsticks. There, 2 lipsticks, 6 different eyeshadow, and 2 blush on. So, how many possible makeup can be formed? So let us see. So the solution is 2 lipsticks. So 2 times 6, because you have 6 different eyeshadow. Then times 2, because you have 2 blush on. So 2 times 6, 12. Times 2, 24. This is the answer of the possible makeup that we can form. So, this is our second example. Assume that cell phone number consists of 11 digits. How many different cell phone numbers can be formed using any number from 0 to 9? So, let us see. So, this is a problem. It says, assume that cell phone number consists of 11 digits. So 11 digits. So 1. This one represents the how many numbers are we going to multiply or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one represents the digits. And it says, how many different cell phone numbers can be formed using any number from 0 to 9? If it says 0 to 9, it is allowed to repeat the number. So, 10. Why 10? Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This then we're going to put here, then multiply. 10 times 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 10 and 10. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Or just simply 10 exponent of 11. The answer will be 1 times 10 exponent of 11. Or 1, then 11 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the answer. 100 million. Yeah. So this is the cell phone numbers can be formed using 0 to 9. 100 million. Method can be used if the situation is allowed to repeat the numbers. You can use this. So thank you very much for listening or viewing our video, and we hope you understand the fundamental counting principle. That's all.